export trade business. We focus on stainless steel decoration product market only and has been cooperating with the superior corporations. Our clients trust and support us greatly due to our honesty, diligence, and responsibility. We already got a certain achievement. The Cooperation Factory workshops occupy 1,200 square, with facilities in value of around 30 million RMB. The group is located in Guangdong Province. Our Cooperation Factory have advanced automatic welding technology and semi-automatic polishing technology with a monthly production capacity of 50,000. Diameter range 19 mm to 5,000 mm. We can supply different sizes and materials according to customers' requirements and has been holding the highest quality requirements for customers to provide services. Stainless steel decorative ball is mainly used in Christmas decoration, wedding decoration, and other festive decoration. We are specializing in stainless steel urban landscape sculpture, square park sculpture, water fountain, and other fields of sculpture, is a perfect combination of a variety of cultural styles. We take the customer demand as the guidance. Service first, prestige first, has the courage to innovate the concept professional standard, strives for perfection, the attitude under the premise which guarantees the quality, lets us with the fastest speed and the highest efficiency, omnidirectional provides for each customer. Welcome the customers who need to come to consult. Thank you.